How to log in into your Airbnb account. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's jump into the video. First thing first, head over to any of the web browser or move into Safari if you are on your iOS device. Once you're inside your Safari, in the search bar, simply search for Airbnb account login. Tons of different sites will be visible to you, but head over to the very first site, login or sign up. Now wait for a while for it to load. It will be landing you on this page. In this page, you will be able to log into your specific account. At the bottom, you can see 4 different ways in order to log into your account. Log in with Facebook, Google, Apple, or your email address. Select the specific ID associated with your account. If you have created your account from your Google account, then tap on Continue with Google. After that, follow the on-screen process and then you'll be logged into your specific account. If you have logged into your account with the help of your phone number, then at the very top, select your country and then enter your phone number. You will receive a call or the text to confirm your ID. After that, what you're going to do is enter the confirmation code that you will receive on your phone number and then tap on Continue. Once you click on Continue, you will be logged into your specific account and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can log in into your Airbnb account. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.